A few years ago, a simple multiple rocket launcher appeared on the battlefields in Libya and Yemen. It is capable of firing 122mm unguided rockets, with both direct and indirect firing capabilities, much like a larger recoilless rifle. This rocket launcher is the RL-4, designed and produced in Egypt. The RL-4 was developed and produced by the Egyptian company SAKR. It primarily fires the SAKR-10 rocket, which is a shortened version of the Egyptian ammunition used by the Soviet BM-21 Grad self-propelled rocket launcher. The RL-4 may also be able to directly fire other Soviet 122mm rockets. The rocket launcher comes in two forms. One is mounted on a vehicle as a self-propelled launcher, and the other is operated on a tripod similar to a recoilless rifle. The RL-4 includes a launcher, support legs/tripod, elevation mechanism, direction mechanism, and optical sights. The entire system weighs about 1 ton and has 4 launch tubes arranged in a square pattern. The range can be adjusted by changing the elevation angle of the launch tubes, with a precise range adjustment of 7 degrees and a total horizontal direction adjustment range of approximately 120 degrees. The initial vehicle-mounted version had the launcher installed on the cargo deck of an M724x4 off-road truck. However, the truck did not provide a level firing platform, and the launcher itself did not have this function. Therefore, 2 hydraulic support legs were installed in front and rear of the truck to stabilize the chassis and adjust the level by adjusting the height of the support legs. Because the entire system is not very heavy, it can also be modified to be used on other suitable trucks, including pickup trucks. Another version requires a sturdy tripod to mount the launcher for operation. However, transporting and installing the several hundred kilograms of launch tubes is not an easy task, so the self-propelled version is easier to use. The RL-4 can be equipped with 2 sets of sights for direct or indirect aiming, allowing for precision targeting and indirect fire coverage. The SAKR-10 rocket it fires weighs 46 kilograms and has an effective range of 3 to 10.8 kilometers, which is quite a bit closer than the range of the BM-21 Grad. After its release, the RL-4 was used in parts of the Middle East and North Africa. Libyan rebels and armed forces in Yemen have used it. It is much cheaper than more conventional equipment like the BM-21, and Egypt's ability to produce its own ammunition also ensures a steady supply. Perhaps because of the perceived effectiveness of this simple rocket launcher, a self-propelled artillery version was later developed to be mounted on a GAZ-3308 truck. This version looks more conventional, but there should not be much change in terms of the rocket launcher's power and range.